I just turned it off. Go ahead, do your thing again. We back. We back. Here we go. 03 Lexus. Kind of dirty on the inside, but we're gonna get that taken care of. We're gonna go ahead and get that detailed. Check engine light is flashing, so we're gonna get that taken care of. We at the shop. Mega Works. So 03. That's how they be when you pick them up, man. They do not be in pristine condition. Boy, still lots. They do not be in pristine condition. Look at this. Look at that. I don't know who they hit. Who hit them, but look at that, man. Look at that. Look at that. I did see a guy on YouTube get a dent out with some hot water. So I'm definitely gonna try that. And I'm definitely gonna record that. Headlights look good, they've been replaced. So it's a solid car, man. Might need some tires, but we're gonna hurry up get this one ready for tax time, man. So you tax people, go ahead and come get this motherfucker, man. We don't want it no more. Don't want it. My part is done. Gonna let MegaWorks do their part. We're gonna get this shit up out of here. Peace. What's up, what's up, what's up, YouTube? What's up? Man, look, today, excuse me, I'm driving, man. A nice little chilly Georgia winter, you know what I mean? One of them chilly mornings, like a young 32 degrees. And anyway, sometimes, man, when you're doing this dealership shit on your own for the most part, sometimes, man, sometimes you run out of resources. Sometimes you run out of money. Sometimes you run out of people to do other things that you outsource them to do, or you just really don't have, or your time frame just doesn't line up with their time frame. It's never anything personal. It's always business. That, you know, you got a job to do, they got a job to do, and sometimes it just doesn't line up for the two of you. So that is one case for me right now on a vehicle I have sitting at my mechanic shop. So I paid for the vehicle, it's sitting there, and he's got quite a bit going on over there at the shop. So based off of the initial inspection, this car should just really need a tune-up. It's a 2003 Lexus. Only thing is you gotta pull the plunium off to get back to the back plugs and all that other crap. So I got some time today. So today I'm probably gonna get dirty, man. So today, just maybe I might record it, or I might say fuck it and, you know what I'm saying? And just do it later, you know what I'm saying? But it's gotta get done. I need my money back. You know what I'm saying? I got some other things coming to the channel that need to be paid for. So, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to top all your resources in one thing. So, you know, I really don't have the patience to go find other mechanics and to vet them right now. So it's tax time, man. So it's tax time. Like, I'm getting calls and messages about vehicles, and all the vehicles I got are waiting on maintenance. So it's time for me to, you know what I'm saying, put my gloves on and get my hands dirty so I get these cars in and out. But that's what I got for you right now. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, so we are pulling up at the shop. I don't think it's even here. Oh yeah, they're here. Awesome. So they're here. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this Lexus. Grab this Lexus right here. Go get my spark plugs, and I'm going to the house. MIA, take it to the house. So that's what I'm on right now. He probably gonna try to talk me out of it, but if he can't pull my shit in right now, then the motherfucker gotta go. Be right back. Hey, don't be alarmed, we're Negroes. Negroes! Oh no. So we back. Work is done. He taught me in the stand, so I just did it myself. We ain't got the part. So it had a P304 and 305. We pulled the plug on the on cylinder 3 since it was the easiest one to get to, and come to find out that the sleeve on the coil was cracked, so it was pretty much arcing out on the side. So I'm trying to show y'all this. I don't know if the camera gonna pick this up because you can barely see it. Yeah. So anyway, right here, right there is a nice crack, one all the way right there. So I replaced that one coil, cleaned up the plug. Right now it's currently riding good, so we're gonna see. Other than that, man, this thing is pretty nice shape. Needs some cleaning up though. Need a door handle. Yeah, I need a door handle assembly. This all this right here. I can't even open the door from here. Yeah. Go old school. Put some vice grips on that junk. Old school. Or just let the window down. Reach outside and do it. So put that up because it's kind of chilly out here. Let's see what we got. So we are 3 monitors ready, which is typically how you start. Got 156,012 miles on the odometer. We'll set the trip A is reset. We're gonna see how long it takes to get it to a point where we can pass emissions. So it's gonna take me a little test drive, run a little errand real quick. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so we back. We in here. Got all the way down to 2 monitors left and had a pending 430. So I stopped, got me some cattle clean. Now we're about 8-9 miles on the cattle clean. I'm doing roughly 60, 79 miles an hour. So I'm gonna see if this is gonna work. We're gonna see if cattle clean works. Cattle clean, the P430 was the only code I had pending, and it did pop on with a check engine light. So we're gonna see. Other than that, car's actually been riding real good. So I got the cruise control on, which is kind of different for me because I'm used to, you know, going a couple miles over the speed limit, but now I'm doing damn near the speed limit. So we're gonna see, man. Hopefully this cattle clean, get it done, and we get this thing out of here. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all. So I've done a little over 30 miles since the cattle clean, and bam. I don't know if y'all can see it or not with the sun, but it is a pending 430 with 2 monitors still waiting to be set. So cattle clean didn't work for me. And now I got a 30-mile hike back to the shop. So guess we're gonna start shopping for a Cadillac converter so we can get up out of here, man. Cause this car still gotta go. But it rides so good, man. But it from everything that when I cleaned the car out, from everything that was in here, I believe this car hasn't really been running or really been on the road since like 2013. I think they just take it in. No, because I think they were not in the emissions county. Let me know, comment below. Is Forsyth, Georgia, the county Forsyth, is that an emissions county? I don't think that's an emissions county. You think I would know these things? But that's a county that I'm not sure of. I know it's on the border of like Fulton County, which I know is an emissions county. But I don't think Forsyth is an emissions county. The thing was, though, is I had a P303 and 304, but all my monitors were already set, and I didn't have a check engine light on. Or did I? No, I had a check engine light on. But I didn't have a P430. Then I fixed the misfire. Now I got a P430. I don't know if I just got some bad fuel. I don't know if it's just from it sitting so long. Probably got a bunch of bad fuel in a Cadillac converter. What do y'all think, man? Either way, it's got to get fixed so I can get up out of here. So I'm going to take this hike back and drive like I normally drive, since I already know it's pending. It may set, it may not set. But I'll know by the time I get back to the shop. Be right back.
To accept a low offer.
It did 90.